Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Stephanie Koempel, and today we're going to talk about something that might sound a little unusual at first, but trust me, it's powerful. What if money loves us? Yep, you heard me right. Today we're exploring the idea that money is not something to fear or stress about. In fact, money has an abundance of love for us, and we can learn how to open ourselves up to receiving it with joy and ease. So let's dive into this exciting concept and see how money can start flowing more freely into your life. First, let's talk about energy. Everything in the universe is energy, including money. Money is a form of energy, and like any energy, it moves where it's invited, where it's welcomed, and where it's appreciated. So let's think of money like a flow of water. When you keep the flow moving, it keeps coming to you. But if you block it with negative thoughts or fear, that flow slows down. So money loves us when we treat it with respect and gratitude. If you view money as something that's always there to support you, rather than something that causes stress or anxiety, you'll start to notice it showing up more often and in greater abundance. So how can we shift our relationship with money to align with this concept of it loving us? The first step is to change how we think about it. Like any relationship, it's all about energy and communication. When you constantly worry about not having enough, money picks up on that energy. But when you embrace an abundance mindset, believing that there is always enough and that you deserve financial prosperity, that's when the magic starts to happen. Now, one of the most powerful ways to invite money into your life is through gratitude. When you express gratitude for the money you have, even if it's just a small amount, you're sending out positive energy into the universe. The universe loves to reward appreciation. So every time you get money, whether it's a paycheck, a gift, or even a couple of spare dollars, take a moment to say, "Thank you. I am grateful for you." This simple act opens up more money to come to you because you've acknowledged the love and abundance that's already there. Do that. Well, here are 3 practical steps to begin creating a loving relationship with money. Step number 1, visualize abundance. Every day, take a moment to close your eyes and visualize money flowing freely to you like a river of gold. See yourself enjoying the things money brings you: freedom, comfort, and joy. When you can feel the abundance, you align yourself with it. Step number 2, affirmations of abundance. Use positive affirmations like money loves me, I love money, I am worthy of financial success, abundance is my natural state. These affirmations help to rewire your subconscious to expect and welcome more money. Step number 3, practice generosity. Money loves to circulate, so when you share it, whether through charity, gifts, or helping someone in need, you send out the message that money is always flowing in and out of your life. The more you give, the more you receive, and the more money loves you. Now, one of the biggest blocks to receiving money is fear. Fear of not having enough, fear of losing it, fear of making the wrong choices with money. But here's the thing, fear repels money. When you fear something, you create resistance to it. So instead of focusing on fear, shift your attention to love, abundance, and trust. Trust that the universe is always working in your favor, and money loves to flow to those who are open, grateful, and trusting. The more you let go of fear, the more you create space for money to enter your life. So to sum it up, money loves us when we treat it with respect, gratitude, and openness. So by shifting your mindset, practicing gratitude, and cultivating a positive relationship with money, you can unlock the flow of abundance and begin attracting more wealth into your life. It's all about the energy you put out there. So thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who might need a little love from money in their life. I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue our journey to abundance together.